Look at that. That's a beauty. Hey, how are you? Quick little disclaimer today. I know most of you are waiting for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. That is coming in the near future, I promise, alongside a 10,000 subscriber update. And yes, I do have the AirPods ready to go. But until then, guys, if you have no interest in camera gear, make sure to skip this video, come to the next one, and I promise things will be back to normal. But let's get right on to this unboxing. Inside this box is what is in the title. This is my Canon EOS R. I am extremely excited to open this and give you guys an honest review. Because you know, I never sugarcoat it when it comes to unboxings and camera gear reviews. Guys, if you do enjoy this at all, the slightest bit, the smallest amount, and this unboxing helps you decide if you're going to continue with your purchase of the Canon EOS R, because I know I was kind of hesitant myself on buying this until I watched reviews. So hopefully my review can help you out. But if you do enjoy it, guys, please demolish that thumbs up button down below and hit that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So I have a spiked club. I thought this was going to be a good bit for this. This is just not it, though. Here we go. Oh, that felt good. And normally I would let this just all fall, but I'm not gonna do that. I spent $3,000 on this bundle. I'm not trying to have it break right away. So let's nicely remove and show you guys what's in the box. First things first, what we're all here for is the Canon EOS R in the box. We will open that in 1 second. A microphone is included. I already have a Rode mic, but who knows how good this is. You also get your camera bag. The bundle also came with a tripod, which I already have, but hey, doesn't hurt to have another one. It came with the swivel flash remote timer, a rechargeable battery, and then a car charger for the battery. First things first, what we're gonna open is the Canon EOS R. At first glance, let's see. First, you get your warranty, which I need to register on Canon's website, I believe. You get your battery. You get your battery charger. You also get I don't know what this is. Also, we get a lens hood, a lens carrying bag. Get your normal strap, EOS R on the strap, and then on the bottom layer, you get your lens, and you also get your Canon EOS R body. I'm just already in love. This is quite insane. By the way, you guys have no idea how much stress I went through to get this camera. Between Amazon and my credit card company, they refused to put the order through 5 times because they thought it was suspicious activity. When I called around 25 times to confirm it's me making the purchase, they still refused to send it through. How many times? I finally got through. It was almost to the point where I almost canceled my Prime membership. So Amazon, if you want to talk about that, hit me up. So what I was debating on getting over this was a Sony, typical, very mainstream, you know, but what Sony does not offer is this, and this was a high selling point for me. All right, so this is the body. Let's get on to the lens. This is our Canon 24-105 lens. It came in the bundle. Now the bundle I paid around $2,799 to be exact, plus tax, for this entire bundle. This is what you get. And if you want a link to that, I could leave it down below in the description. You guys could check it out. I'm already loving it. It's gonna be next level. This is gonna take my YouTube channel and what I do as a creator to the next level. So now we have our lens and our body out of the box. So let's put on our lens, see how this looks together. You got the stabilizer built in down here. You also have your autofocus and manual focus built in on the side as well. I need some time to play around with this camera before I can give you guys a true review, an honest review. But I'm in love with this camera already. Now here's the thing, the Canon G7X, what I'm shooting on now, that's been my main shooter for a long time. I love it. It's a powerhouse. It will always remain one of my favorite cameras, especially for YouTube. This might take its place. And I'm sorry, camera, as you shoot me for this video. Now down the road, I will upload more video, cinematic video, a more in-depth review of this camera. So make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. But first glance, this camera's nice, it's durable. You can tell it's a nice weight too. Again, I paid $2,799 for this bundle right here. And I'm extremely excited to start sharing with you guys what I'm able to create. So as an honest unboxing, how jacked up was I inside to unbox this? I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. That's a pretty good score for me, because usually I don't get that excited over stuff when it comes to unboxing new cameras. But as for now, guys, that's going to do it for this honest unboxing review. Again, I highly recommend getting this camera at first glance. Wait a minute, they didn't include the adapter. The one thing. What the heck? The camera was supposed to come with an adapter and it didn't. What the heck? So you know what? This rating went down to an 8 instead of a 10. I'm still very excited about this camera. I need to figure out this with Amazon now. But until then, that is going to conclude this video. Stay tuned for more videos down the road with the Canon EOS R. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.